Welcome to our channel. If you need to cancel your Microsoft 365 subscription and avoid future charges, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your account properly. Step 1. Open your web browser and sign into your Microsoft account at account.microsoft.com using your email and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section from the top menu or your account dashboard. Step 3. Locate your Microsoft 365 subscription in the list of active subscriptions. Step 4. Click on the Manage button next to your Microsoft 365 subscription to view subscription details. Step 5. Look for the option labeled Cancel Subscription or Turn off Recurring Billing and click on it. Step 6. Microsoft may offer you alternatives like pausing your subscription or switching to a different plan. Choose Continue to Cancel if you want to proceed. Step 7. Select a reason for cancellation from the drop-down menu if prompted, or skip this step if it's optional. Step 8. Confirm the cancellation by following all on-screen prompts. Note that your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing period. Step 9. Check your email for confirmation from Microsoft that your subscription has been cancelled and verify that recurring billing has been turned off in your account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.